Hi kids! Do you know how to find the area of the different types of triangles based on the angles? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. There are three types of triangles based on the angles. One is right triangle, obtuse triangle, and acute triangle. Ang kailangan mo lang alamin ay ang height at ang base. The right triangle. Where is the base? Line CD. Where is the height? Line AC. Now, multiply 8 and 4 divided by 2, and the area is 16 square centimeters. Obtuse triangle. What is the height? EF. What is the base? GH. Now, find the area. The area is 16 square centimeters. Now, let's discuss acute triangle. What is the base? VW. What is the height? UX. Now, you can find the area as 16 square centimeters. IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.